Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel named as Dialect Round. Here is Sheenam and we are going to start with today's lecture, which is all about speaking. So guys, today's our lecture, it's all about cue card, that how to generate ideas, how to elaborate your ideas till 2 minutes. So it is all about that. In the previous lecture, what we have did, हमने किस चीज़ पे फोकस करा था कि हम अपने इंट्रोडक्शन के क्वेश्चंस को कैसे इलैबोरेट करें. सो टुडेज आवर टॉपिक इज ऑल अबाउट क्यू कार्ड गाइस. As we know that in the speaking we have 4 parts: introduction, general, and then cue card, and after that it is followed by the follow-up questions. But today's our video is totally based on the cue card. You need to know that how to elaborate your cue cards. I hope आपका भी ये डाउट रहेगा कि मैम क्यू कार्ड को कैसे इलैबोरेट करें. वी शुड गो फॉर रियल एक्सपीरियंसेस और वी शुड मेक अ स्टोरी. सो गाइज डोंट वरी, वी आर हियर टू गाइड यू फॉर दैट. So first guys, as we know that cue card is more like a topic. It is a kind of any situation that examiner can give you. For example, they can say, okay, talk about a time when you missed an appointment, talk about a long car journey that you went on, talk about a time when you helped a person, so on. These type of situation that they can ask you, and for that you need to speak till 2 minutes or maybe more than 2 minutes. So don't worry, we are here to guide you how to elaborate your ideas and cue card in 2 minutes. So first of all guys, that examiner will not scare you that this is a cue card, let's start with it. No, they are going to give you 1 minute and they are also hand over you one page and pencil that you can jot it down your ideas. After that guys, be relaxed first, okay? First of all, just check the topic, what they are talking about. For example, if we go with the example, for example, your cue card is you need to talk about a person who is very creative. So in that case guys, don't start from point to point. Like don't start, I remember one of my friend whose name is this. Don't start like point to point. First guys, understand what is the main keyword in that cue card. If the cue card is related to creativity, let's make a background in that. Let's do some play with that background statement. For example, if you are having cue card, okay, so talk about a person who is very creative. Say, well, creativity plays a very important role in person's life, which makes a person unique from others. I know many persons who are creative in their own way. For example, my relatives are there, my friends are there, and my near ones also. But today I would like to share my experience with you. I would like to talk about that person who is really creative in every manner. Guys, you got it. I spoke like 7 to 8 lines in just a background statement, and even I haven't started with my main cue card. So first what you need to do is you need to make a background statement, not like 7 to 8 lines like me. It's just an example to show you. Just pick up any 2 or 3 lines or 3 to 4 lines among that and then start with your topic. With this guys, आप क्या कर रहे हो? You are not speaking point to point, क्योंकि जो बच्चे point to point बोलते हैं वो कहीं ना कहीं जाके 2 minutes से पहले चुप हो जाते हैं, and they are getting nervous and maybe they are going to mess up their upcoming part, that is a follow-up. So guys, be relaxed. This is the way that what you need to do, how you need to start your cue card. First, just go with the background statement of 4 lines. Then you can start with your main cue card by highlighting this line. But today I would like to talk about a person who's really very creative in my own experience. After that guys, you need to follow that 4 questions that is in the below your cue card, like who is the person, how you know him or her, why do you think he's creative, and how do you feel about this person. For these questions guys, you need to make 3 to 4 lines for each question. Like for example, the first question is who is this person. You can talk about his name, what is the relationship of yours with him, how you know him or her, and what he's doing right now. After that you can go with another question. हर क्वेश्चन का गाइज आपको 4 to 5 लाइन्स बना के चलनी है. इससे क्या होगा, आपके वो 4 क्वेश्चंस भी कवर अप होते जाएंगे एंड यू आर गुड टू गो टू कंप्लीट योर 2 minutes easily. So guys, don't worry. I hope you should apply this technique. जब आप ये टेक्निक को अप्लाई करोगे, I hope that you are going to crack your desired band score and you are not going to be nervous. And don't be, you don't need to try to make a stories about that. Just be real. pick up your one of the friends, because you know that person personally and you can elaborate that person easily. So I hope guys you really like this video, and do implement this in your daily life, do implement in your while speaking regarding your cue card. I hope you are going to get your desired band score. And if you have any other query related to any of the modules or files, do query us, do mail us in our email ID which are mentioned below. So guys, if you really like our channel, do subscribe, do like and share as much as you can, so because we are here to spread the knowledge. So yes guys, bye bye. For the next time we are going to come up with the new topic for you soon. Take care.